You're right, 6 Plus Save here, going over a quick first impression video of getting some custom decals. So this is my first time ever getting custom decals. I normally get them in sets and so on and so forth. So I've actually gone out and got some custom decals for a future project for myself and the channel. So I've had these delivered within 2 days, 3 days of placing the order, which is a great positive first impression. Let's open this up. But yeah, I just wanted to do a genuine first impression, see if any of you lot out there have had any good or bad experiences with getting non-commercial decals, however you want to call it. So let's see if this wants to come out. Okay, Mighty Brush. That's the firm that I got the decals from. Now, please say there's decals. Oh, this is quite fancy. Okay, actually got. Oh, this is cool. Okay, 10 out of 10 off the bat for how well they packaged it, because they were in a sturdy envelope. Some nice POS. The Mighty Brush. Nice instructions in there. Genuinely. Mighty Brush, kudos on you. That's really, really good. And the letter that it sent it in is one of those cardboard reinforced letters. So they're not going to buckle. I really genuinely... It's even got the greaseproof paper on top. Oh, these are cool. There you go. Hopefully you can see. This is going to be for a project you'll hopefully see in the next week or so of what these are going to be used for. So just as a retrospect, I've got a set of decals, mass-produced decals. So this set came from the Indominus, and this actually came from an old Raven Wing kit. I believe it was the Talamaster kit or the Metal Samuel. So the detail, I can't fault it. I genuinely can't fault it. And it only cost me less than a tenner. Less than a tenner. I think it was like a $5 or something. I'm really impressed by these. It's the same finish. A very similar finish to these ones here. A little bit more gloss on them. But you can knock that down with varnishes, however you apply it. Water, vinegar, microsol, microset. I can't rave about microsol, microset any more than I can. They're amazing. But for custom decal, I know this is a short video, but that with the packaging, if you have any desire to go out there and get some bit different decals, honestly, contact Mighty Brush, because their customer service was great. I contacted them saying, oh, what size is this sheet? What do you get? How are they done? They were really, really well responsive for it all. But anyway, little bit there, mightybrush.com, and yeah, just have a little go. But yeah, if you like this short little video, short little snap, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, what experience you've had with getting different decals, the Mighty Brush, any other ones out there. Be interested. But anyway, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already subscribed, you're enjoying the content, please subscribe. There's going to be plenty more content coming out. And anyway, I'll let you enjoy the rest of your day. You all take care.